Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to color only table columns in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, only color table column is the select your column and going to the more menu option. Then click for the background color option. Then any choose color. So again, select your column table and go to the more menu option and click for the background of color option, then any choose color. Then we show the color only table columns in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my